3D printed WhoMobile from the excellent files of Chris Jones. These files are available on Thingiverse. This is from his initial release in 2020. Since then the files have been modified a little bit for some smoother curves on the nose. Finished this build in February of 21. Added some radio control to the WhoMobile. So we got steering and drive. Plus we've got headlights from the radio control. This is it with the canopy off. That's a 5.5 inch John Pertwee figure sitting in there. It's a little bit tight, he has to lean back a bit to put the canopy on. The body's now being removed. We can see the 2-cell LiPo. I think it's 600 milliamp hour. A metal nickel hard drive would do the job just as well. A small gear servo attached via linkage to the original gear set for the steering. A switch goes to the speed controller. 4-channel receiver. The receiver control switch for the headlights. A 10 amp brushed electronic speed controller with forward and reverse that drives 2 brushed gear motors. They're in parallel. The headlights are 4 5mm LED with some limiting resistors on there. I've seen other builds that use like a Christmas light LED driver that's all enclosed with a self-contained battery pack. That would work just as well. This switch could easily turn that battery pack on and off. The circuit diagram and the build and material will be on the group's Facebook page in the file section. I'll put a link to that in the video. Headlights on, here we go. Reverse.